गोस्वामी तुलसीदास जी के दोहे। अनुचित उचित विचारु तजी जे पाल्हिन पितु बैन, ते भाजन सुख सुजस के बसेई अमरपति ऐन। Meaning, one who leaves the thought of right and wrong and follows the words of his father, after getting happiness and fame in this world, ultimately resides in heaven. बैखानस सोई सोचे जोगो, तपु विहाई जेहि भावई भोगो। सोच पिसुन अकारण क्रोधी, जन्नी जनक गुर बंधु विराधी। Meaning, that person who is in vain and indulges in pleasures is also a reason for thinking. The one who gossips, gets angry without any reason and has enmity with his parents, teachers and brothers is also worthy of sorrow and thinking. साम दाम अरु दंड विभेदा, नृपुर बसे नाथ कह बेदा। Meaning, Vedas say that the qualities of equality, punishment and discrimination reside in the heart of a king. सुनो भरत भावी प्रवल विलखी कहेउ मुनिनाथ, हानि लाभ जीवनु मरनु जसु अबजसु विधि हाथ। Meaning, Muninath told Bharat with great sadness that profit, loss, life, death, reputation or infamy are all in the hands of God. तुलसी भरोसे राम के, निर्भय हो के सोए। अनहोनी होनी नहीं, होनी हो सो होए। Meaning, Tulsidas says, trust God and sleep peacefully without any fear. Nothing unnecessary will happen, and if there is some untoward incident, it will reduce, hence leave unnecessary worries and troubles and live happily. बैर न विग्रह आस न त्रासा, सुखमय ताहि सदा सब आसा। अनारंभ हनिके तमानी, अनग अरोज दक्ष विज्ञानी। Meaning, it is enough to have no enmity, fight or quarrel with anyone, nor hope nor fear. For him there is happiness everywhere. Never do any work with the hope of getting results. Do not have any special attachment or affection towards home. Don't worry about getting respect. Stay away from sin and anger, only he is skilled and knowledgeable in devotion. बरन धर्म नहीं आश्रम चारी, श्रुति विरोध रत सब नर नारी। द्विज श्रुति बेचक भूप प्रजासन, को नहीं मान निगम अनुशासन। Meaning, in Kali Yuga, the religion of Varnashrama no longer exists. The four ashrams also no longer exist. All men and women become against Vedas. Brahmins are sellers of Vedas and kings are eaters of the people. No one obeys the orders of Vedas. निज गुण श्रवण सुनत सकुचाही, परगुण सुनत अधिक हरखाही। सम शीतल नहीं त्यागी नीति, सरल स्वभाव सबहि संप्रीति। Meaning, saints hesitate after hearing their own praise and are very happy after hearing the praise of others. They always remain calm and never sacrifice justice, and their nature is simple and loving to everyone. सब नर काम लोभ रत क्रोधी, देव विप्र श्रुति संत विरोधी। गुण मंदिर सुंदर पति त्यागी, भजही नारी पर पुरुष अभागी। Meaning, all men are lustful, greedy and angry. Gods, Brahmins are opposed to Vedas and saints. Unfortunate women leave their virtuous and handsome husbands and consume other men. कठिन कुसंग कुपंथ कराला, तिन्ह के वचन बाग हरि ब्याला। गृह कारज नाना जंजाला, ते अति दुर्गम सैल विसाला। Meaning, bad company is a very bad path. The words of those bad company are like tigers, lions and snakes. The many hassles in household chores are like a huge, rugged mountain. निराचार जो श्रुतिपत त्यागी, कलिजुग सोई ज्ञानी सो विरागी, जाके नख हरु जटा बिसाला, सोई तापस प्रसिद्ध कलिकाला। Meaning, those who have abandoned the words of Vedas and behave inferiorly are considered knowledgeable and recluse in Kali Yuga. Those who have long nails and matted hair are famous ascetics in Kali Yuga. हरि व्यापक सर्वत्र समाना, प्रेम ते प्रगट होहिं मैं जाना, देश काल दिशि विधि सिहु मांगी, कहूँ सो कहाँ जहाँ प्रभु नाही। Meaning, God is always present everywhere equally and appears when called with love. He is present in all countries, abroad and in all directions. It cannot be said where God is not. लखी सुवेश जग वंचक जेव, वेश प्रताप पूजहि तेव, उघरहिं अंत न होई निवाहु, कालनेमी जिमी रावण राहु। Meaning, sometimes even thugs disguise themselves as sages and people start worshipping them. But one day their deception gets exposed like the situation of Kalnemi Ravana and Rahu. So केवल भक्तन हित लागी, परम कृपाल प्रणत अनुरागी, जेहि जन पर ममता अति छोहु, जेहि करुणा करी कीन्ह न कोहु। Meaning, Lord does all the activities for the devotees only. He is extremely merciful and lover of the devotee. He has affection for the devotee. He only shows compassion. They don't get angry at anyone. करहिं जोग जोगी जेहि लागी, कोहु मोहु ममता मधु त्यागी, व्यापकु ब्रह्मु अलखु अविनाशी, चिदानंदु निर्गुण गुणरासी। Meaning, the Lord for whom yogis practice yoga by renouncing anger, attachment, affection and ego is the omnipresent Brahma, the unexpressed, the indestructible, Chidanand, the mind of qualities and qualities. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.